mate Jackwitz from Jackwitz Farms, and we got a small family farm in the Lockyer Valley that we grow 12 months of the year. We've got about 2,000 acres in the Lockyer Valley and 500 acres on the Darling Downs. I think Dad first started about 35 years ago on the farm, so it's a fourth generation farm. Originally the home farm was a dairy farm. Everything at the moment in the shed, like some of the concrete's 25 years, so we just wanted to more refresh the place up, you know what I mean? Like get things back and looking smick. And also, big thing with epoxy I like is we have a lot of water and a lot of moisture around the packing sheds, so it's safety for the workers, you know, like less slip, creates a better, clean environment, yeah. A lot of more people traffic in the packing shed than the cold room. The cold room obviously is going to have forklifts in and out and really next to no people. But the packing shed's going to have people every day, and especially the one half of the packing shed where the forklifts are taking away the full pallets, they'll have a lot of traffic and stuff. And so this is the first lot of epoxy we have, and I think we'll keep using it and definitely put it in more cold rooms and more of the packing areas. EzySpray, we've waited I think 2 years now that Dad had the first conversation with EzySpray, but I think that Dad's heard good feedback about their jobs in the past and how good they are and how good they are to work with, and I think they're very passionate with what they do too. They make sure that the job's done, and I guess something like this that's going to last to 20 to 30 years, you've really got to have someone that knows what they're doing. It's the same with everything, I guess. You've got to keep up with the times, and you've got to keep moving forward, and when new things come out, you've got to keep doing it, whether it's cold rooms, floors like we're doing, and also worker safety is a big thing, but it's just keeping it cleaner, better, and it's also just spruces the place up. And with the cold rooms, I'm really looking forward to it, because the cold room's a big thing about not having moisture in the cold room, and also with the pallets and that, so I'm really looking forward to this.